Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo channel. Welcome to another beautiful day in the sunny state of California. With this video we're starting a new segment, and in this segment we'll be reviewing cars. We're gonna start with my own car, Slate. It is a 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350 4matic that has undergone quite the transformation. I bought this car at the end of 2014, and for the past 6 years it has been a very nice and reliable daily driver. It is finished in a paint coat called Flint Gray Metallic, and it's pretty good, and it covers dirt and grime pretty well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the outside of the car, then I'm gonna show you all the modifications I did for my E63 conversion, after which we're gonna go inside and I'll show you what I've done to the inside of the car, and we're gonna end up driving it down this Malibu Canyon Road. And actually look at this. The view out here, it is gorgeous. So starting with the outside of the car, and right here out in the front would be the biggest modification that I have done so far, and that is the Suvneer E63 conversion kit. So this car doesn't come looking like an E63 from the factory, but what we did is install the front bumper. We installed this beautiful carbon fiber lip right here, and side skirts and back bumper. So I'm just gonna go around real quick. We got all that conversion pieces, all those conversion pieces from Suvneer. These little tips we bought off eBay, and those are Chinese, no brand name, but it says AMG on them. Next big modification we need to do are wheels and suspension. Quite frankly, my tires are shot, so it's time for new tires, and why not get wheels with the new tires? This is gonna be a little bit further up, but after we do the wheels, only other thing we need to do would be to lower it a little bit, and we'll need suspension for that. So those are the future plans for the outside of the car, as well as carbon fiber bits for the side skirts, for the trunk lid spoiler, and for the diffuser. Only after installing those few parts, this car will be complete on the outside. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check what we've done to the interior of the car so far. And it is not a lot. It is not a lot. But just to freshen up the way it looks, we have installed diamond car mats. And those I'm actually very happy with, front and back. They make the feel of the car a lot more luxurious. Here we go. One modification I really want to do to this car is change its head unit to an aftermarket Android head unit, and there are a few companies that make them, but I haven't gotten the chance to choose or purchase one because I have been so far focused on the modifications on the front of the car. Car has 150 something thousand miles, and I bought it at 62, so I have gotten a pretty good use of it. Slate, as I named it, have gotten me through almost 100,000 miles in the 6 years that I own it, and it's gotten me through 3 cross-country trips from New York to LA, California, and I am super happy with it. I think it's time now to go inside and drive it down the road a bit and talk about performance modifications, which I have done none of, and that's because it is my daily driver. Okay then, let's go for a drive. So we're gonna go down Malibu Canyon Road, and I've been here a few times, and the car has no performance modifications. It has its original stock 262 horsepower, which is quite frankly nothing. By no means is this a canyon carver due to its suspension or lack thereof, good suspension, but I'm so used to it that I have no problem throwing it around some of the curves, and brakes are pretty decent. The car is heavy, but you know, I'm not going all out. There are a lot of nice cars on this canyon road that can smoke me if you so want, but it's just enough for me to have a little bit of fun. For more fun, I have the CL, which is also heavy and not meant for this road, but at least I have something to bring out here and enjoy the road. And if you guys are in Southern California and you have a cool car that you may want me to review, I'll leave my email address up here. It's cargos10y@gmail.com, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram and we can do something similar with your car as well. Oh, a little dip over here. I can't wait to get to know more car enthusiasts and review more cars for this channel. And we have a truck right in front of us, so we're gonna slow down. So the battery died while we were filming the downhill run, but that is it. This is my E350 named Slate. We went over the modifications. If you guys want to be part of these videos, send me an email or send me a DM on Instagram. But I'm just gonna chill now and enjoy this beautiful view of the Californian ocean. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more of those to come in 2021. I promise to be more consistent. Hit the notification bell because everybody seems to be pestering people to do that. And have a great day.